Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. This one's gonna be a little bit different. It'll be more of a weekly recap. I've often been posting lately, and this is coming out a bit late, but let's jump straight into it. So, coming to this week, I in total this week I took over mm, four, five, six trades. Yeah, I took over six trades. I'm gonna show you the previous trades I took. So this is a trade I took on Tuesday. I saw this bearish bias. I saw a good 3 minute MAC model, but clearly it failed. And then I entered another short here, and I thought price was going up and it wasn't looking good, and I exited early, which I'm fine with that. And yeah, took a small loss on that. And then on Thursday, I took this 5 minute long, which I wasn't that mad about, but I guess it wasn't very high probability and I didn't put a stop loss early, so I lost more than I should have. So yeah, lesson learned is to stay focused and quickly set a stop loss. And also I could have re-entered on a 30-second long somewhere around here, which would have went to data highs, and my bias was overall correct, so that was still alright. And this was the trade on Friday where I took a really poor trade. I revenge traded this because I already ended the same trade on NQ, but I took out this high over here, which created a sort of an SMT, and I still ended off ES here really late. And yeah, I got emotional. Like I was greedy. I lacked discipline, and yeah, this is a trade I'm not happy about. However, later on Friday, I took a banger trade. This was the break-even trade that I took during London session, and this was the nice 100-point move down or whatever on NQ on Friday. Basically, the main reason I took this trade was because initially I was pretty bullish, right? Because we were just going up. There were all these stacked highs, and we were overall in a market maker buy model. Down, up, take out some of these highs. We left a gap here, and then price started chopping, and I saw this SMT with ES. Saw this SMT with ES, and we still had a confident draw on liquidity, which is data lows down here, and I ended off a 30-second inverse or something. Yeah, nice bearish candle printed out of this SMT. I got an entry somewhere here, went break even here, held prof. I took out partials at this area around a 101, and then I took rest of the profits at data low. I sized down lower because I was already down around 250 for a day, so no, I was already down like $400 on a day or something like that. I'm not sure. So yeah, I sized down this, but overall I got break even on Friday. This is also a new part of my trading channel, which is Miss Trades, because bro, look at this go to London short. I also saw a London short on Monday. This was no sorry, this was on Monday. Oh yeah. This was on Tuesday. A good London long right down here. This inverse, it freaking went up so much. And then a good AMAC model, which played out well for at least a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 RR. So yeah, so really quick and short trade recap, but overall, hey, I had a pretty poor week. I lost all my profits from the previous week. However, I gained really valuable experience and I've gotten really valuable lessons to learn. And dude, like my mistakes and why I lost this week has never been more clear than now. Like I've improved market technicality wise, I've definitely improved. Like I literally missed out three golden trades as you saw earlier. And like if I took all of the trades that I should have taken, and this is also including the losses, mate, I would literally be like freaking one trade away from getting a payout. Like no joke. As you can see over here, there's currently the chart for my PA account. I'm basically back at break even at 50k balance. But of course, with the trading drawdown, I can't be keeping this up. But yeah, hey, loads of positive experiences and positive things to learn. the things I need to improve my psychology, trusting the setup, accepting the risk in trading, and understanding that hey, whether win or loss, it's not necessarily you being right or wrong. It's about probability. And yeah, even though I had a shit week in terms of P&L, I'm coming out of this week being happy and positive about the lessons that I can take away from this week. And hey, honestly, becoming a successful trader and getting that first payout. I think if I continue to grow at this rate, I continue to be intentional and fix and improve the things that I need to do, like my psychology, for example, and maybe market technicals a bit, but mainly psychology. I'm doing trades and not crashing out if I miss a trade or if I lose once or twice. And yeah, dude, that profitable version of me or that first payout, it's gonna come sooner or later. It's gonna surprise a lot of people, including myself. So yeah, uh, really ending off this week with my hits high, and yeah, next week or tomorrow, or it's already next week for me since I'm in Asia. But yeah, new opportunities, new week to make money or lose money, to test myself, to improve the flow of my rules, have discipline, to grow not only as a trader but as a person. Yeah, or I don't know, who knows? I might have a dark period ahead, but hey, I'm gonna tackle it with a good trading mindset. But yeah, enjoy life, do what you have to do, and let's hopefully crush next week. Peace out, team.